Class 8, Chapter 3, Square and Square Root. Topic: Method of squaring numbers. Column method. This method is generally used to find the square of a two-digit number. Let the number be AB, where A is the tens digit and B is the ones digit. For example, find the square of 54. So AB is equals to 54, where A is equals to 5 and B is equals to 4. For finding the square of 54 using column method, follow the following step. Step 1. Make 3 columns. Column 1, column 2 and column 3. Write A square in column 1, 2 into A into B in column 2 and B square in column 3. We know A is equals to 5 and B is equals to 4, as we have to find the square of 54. So A square is equals to 5 square is equals to 25. 2 into A into B is 2 into 5 into 4 is equals to 40. B square in column 3 is 4 square is equals to 16. Now underline the ones digit of B square and add its tens digit, if any, to 2 into A into B. Underline the ones digit in B square. Ones digit in B square is 6 and add its tens digit, if any, to A into B. Tens digit of B square is 1. Add 1 into column second, which is 2 into A into B. Now underline the ones digit in 2 into A into B and add the number formed by the remaining digit to A square. Again, ones digit in column 2, which is 2 into A into B, is 1, and the remaining number, which is 4, add 4 into column 1, which is A square column. By adding 4 into 25, we get 29. Now underline the number in column 1 and write the underlined digits at the bottom of each column to obtain the square. Underline the number in column 1. In column 1, the number is 29. In column 2, underlined number is 1. In column 3, the number which we underlined is 6. So the square of 54 is 29. Write 29 as it is, then 1 from column 2, then 6 from column 3. So the square of 54 is 2916. Squaring of number ending in 5. Squaring of number ending in 5 can be found in the following manner. Step 1. Cross out 5 from the number to obtain a new number. Step 2. Multiply this new number by its successor. Step 3. Suffix 25 to the product to obtain the square. For example, find the square of 85 by using shortcut method. By deleting 5 from the number 85, delete the number 5 from 85, we get 8. Now multiply 8 by its successor. Successor of 8. To find the successor of 8, we add 1 into it. Then the successor of 8 is 9. So multiply 8 by its successor. We get 8 into 9 is equals to 72. Now suffixing 25 to the product. Product is 72. Include 25 like this. So we get 7225. So square of 85 is 7225. Thank you.